Hey everyone, my name is Jennifer Mowry, but I go by Jenna, so feel free to call me that. And this is my introduction video for EDU 215. So here at Franciscan, I just finished my sophomore year, so technically I'm a junior now. I'm a dual licensure education major. I'm a member of Magnificat Amorem Christi household. It's a new household. It's pretty small. Well, pretty new. It's a year old or a year and a half old by now. It's a pretty small, the little yellow household, the ground floor of Claire. I was in Austria last fall in 2018, which was a really cool, crazy semester. But then a little bit about my personal life. I'm from Michigan. I was born and raised in Michigan, and I do think that it's the best state out there. I definitely argue with anyone who thinks otherwise. I'm Catholic. I'm homeschooled, I was homeschooled kindergarten through senior year of high school. And I'm one of 5 kids. I have 3 older sisters and then a younger brother. I'm the little blonde one in the picture over there. And then, some of my interests. I really like hiking, riding bikes, playing soccer. I played soccer in grade school and high school. And then here in college now I just play for fun occasionally, but I really like that sport. Swing dancing with my boyfriend. I like to do DIY and crafts. I love organizing. I know it's sort of a chore, but like for me it's more of a hobby, so I really like to organize. And then I love nannying. That's what I've done for my summer jobs the past 3 years now. Well, this will be my 3rd year with the same family, and I love it so much. It's really fun. And then for my future plans, I want to write children's books. And then I want to teach. I'm interested in Montessori schools. And then, also I want to have like a big family, and I'm interested in homeschooling my kids as well. Yeah, so that's just a little bit about me, but, I'm excited to see your videos and get to know you all, over this next 7 weeks or so. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.